Hello, hello, hello. Oh, sorry, guys. You probably everything I said you didn't hear, isn't it? Checking my mic. So yeah, welcome to the channel. Sorry for losing 1.5 minutes of your life. Kask is not here. He'll be here in a bit. Welcome to the program. So, guys, I was just talking about sharing our content because it's the most important thing right now in crypto. Because the more people get exposed to crypto, the more we can develop everything that's happening. This big Web3 change. Okay, I'm sure, guys, in a few years' time, you'll be very, very, very happy if you watch this channel. And I really want to hear comments in 5 years' time on this program here. Like, oh, I'm just seeing your program. I wish I was here at the time you guys released. Or maybe you're gonna say, oh, I was here, and yeah, I'm taking the gains of being here. Okay, so let's go and check the market, and I'll bring some nice news of bullishness and bearishness, guys. This is crazy times because we don't really know what's happening right now. There's so many bullish cases and so many bearish cases. We're gonna be talking about, are you bullish or bearish? What's your sentiment right now with crypto? So let me just share the screen with you so we can check the current market now. Bitcoin at 21,470, Ethereum holding above $1,600. Tether, and I spoke yesterday about how much stablecoin there are on the top of the market, guys. Look at this: 67 billion, 52 billion, 19 billion, and how many died? Almost $7 billion in died. Okay, and you can see here on the weekly, everything's down on the weekly. Okay, guys, I think I expecting until the end of the week a pump. Okay, I think everything's gonna go back to these highs as well, like that we were last week. Okay, are you taking the advantage of? Let's see EOS. EOS had a massive pump. Let's see how much. It's 12%. Guys, from everything down, EOS is still 12% from the last week. Okay, that's crazy. So it had a massive pump, EOS, and still holding up. Was one of the only coins that's in the green right now. Chilis as well. Actually, let's check which coins are in the green, guys. You check these kind of volatile times, and you check which ones are in the green. Okay, don't forget stable coins, right? But check projects that are in the green, because you can see all the stable coins are in green because of course they're steady. And then the next one, it's Cosmos. And then the next one is EOS. The next one is Chilis. And then again, one stable coin here with 1 billion true USD. And then the next one is again stable coins. You can see only stable coins and a few projects that are in the green. So we take this project, guys, and then you go and check if what's happening with them. Chilis is like fun tokens. Yeah, they work with sports, mainly football, soccer for America. So, and they are booming, guys. They're booming. They're entering metaverse gaming. So, Chilis could be a very, very good project for you guys to have a look and go into it. EOS as well, and Chronos. No, Chronos, sorry. And Near, which one was it in the green? Cosmos, sorry, was Cosmos, yeah, 4%, $11 as well. So good projects to be looking at this time. So let's check. So you see, EOS is at the top rank, and then Chilis, then Cosmos, main ones that we could have a look what's going on into the market. I'm full disclosure, I'm invested in EOS and Cosmos. I left my position in Chilis. I got very good profits, but I'm looking for an entry point, although I'm very exposed to many coins. But Chilis was always a project that I liked. And I think especially because Brazil is like mainly football fans, and and the fun tokens are booming. And I really like the idea of the fun tokens. If you don't know, if you hold fun tokens, you can get cheap and discount entries in football stadiums and merchandise from each team. So if you're supporter of Manchester United or whatever in America, I don't know, Galaxy, um, soccer, and yeah, then you can buy merchandise with the tokens for cheaper price. And then there's many projects. You can meet the players and all sorts. Okay, so I think it's a very good thing to keep an eye on. Let's read the losers of the day. Filecoin, although I heard Filecoin is doing well, but it's today in the big red. Stepping also, I heard, is one of the main coins on gaming. Remember, I spoke yesterday. People were talking about, the next narrative would be gaming, and Stepping is one of the coins that they mentioned a lot. Okay, and many of these coins are being mentioned a lot. Look, Gala is here, Near Protocol is here. Okay, so also maybe opportunities there for you. So what we have today, here are the 5 juiciest threads on CT today. A bold new Tornado Cash alternative. Details: why GameFi is going to be the next hot thing. Why the FAT protocol thesis is dead. Does new liquidity book solve victory problems? Is the US in a debt spiral? Okay, guys, remember that it's very, very much correlated, crypto, with the America, especially. America kind of economical system. Okay, so if the US is in a debt spiral, that means that's not going to be very good for crypto in the short term. Of course, guys, crypto for the long term is amazing. Close your eyes, invest in whatever you want right now. If you're looking for 2 to 3 years time, anything, believe me, you buy now. This is not financial advice, but anything you buy right now, in the long run, you're gonna be so happy, because I haven't left many of my altcoin positions. I saw my positions going from like 300% profit to now to minus 90%. So but I was learning, and I trust. So I haven't sold. So I don't have any realized loss yet. Of course, I was invested in Luna. I didn't lose also money in Luna. I was very, very lucky, because every Luna I had was my profits. But also, see your portfolio losing like all the Luna you have. It's sad. Okay. And yeah. So anyway, it's Shadi Barhumi, okay, who posted. Actually, I saw this thread from another person that I follow, and then I really like what he wrote here. And of course, so he got from, of course, different Twitters as well. And I would like to leave you this for you to read, because it's a long studying things for you to do. He got from Leo Gis. Then you can follow these guys with a deep dive on ZK rollups and a Tornado Cash alternative. Remember, the Tornado Cash was a privacy coin, right? You could do transactions and keep private, because everything's exposed on the blockchain, and you can see every transaction. And Tornado Cash Coda was just sent to prison last week, which was sad, because again, Do Kwon, which is the owner of Luna, the creator of Luna, he's free, and he's actually the one who could, he led many people to bankruptcy. Of course, maybe it's not 100% his fault. He didn't mean to, but again, this guy's just wrote the code. He didn't really kind of ask anyone to use it. He used it because he wanted, and then he's in prison. Again, one more thread from Cove Duck. I think I said to him about, we talked about this yesterday. GameFi is set to become the next hot space. This is what we wrote. Yesterday we talked about that. And again, once again, this guy here show, like I said to you, that's why these threads are so good. And you keep an eye on Twitter. West Capital on why the FAT protocol thesis is dead. Okay, so guys, I'm retweeting this right now on BitBrothers Crypto with I. Okay, in the Twitter. So follow us there. Okay, so you can see BitBrothers Crypto. Again, the crypto with I, because it's in Portuguese. So originally we will open that for the Brazilian community, although it didn't work very well, because the Brazilian community is far behind, and we got really fed up. Okay, so it's unfortunate and sad, but I'm sure you can share to the Brazilian community as well. And people want to get in touch with us, we're more than happy to help. So, but again, guys, we do not give financial advice, or we ask for anything. Okay, never ask for anything here in the channel. Okay, so yeah, everything's here. Check it out. This thread is on my Twitter right now. Okay, and then all of this, we talk about all of this, is really nice. We experienced one of the most significant Bitcoin bullish diversions in history. This is by Crypto Rover. Okay, so guys, again, if you hear this, and then you can see the answer, like I said, that's why I like the answer, because like not before 12K, even your chart makes it clear that the diversions still has room for further lows before going back again. 12K, then new highs. Guys, I think this is one of the most sensible things now. Okay, then this guy here show a different graphic, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone compares graphics. It's like they have this I forgot the name, so they have this kind of sentiment graphics that they made, how it normally works, and we're probably going to have to reach 5 before to go A, B, and C. And I believe that too. I think 12K is definitely on the cards for main adoption. Okay, so be aware. Of course, we're gonna have some small rallies, bear rallies, and to pump, bring some money into the market so people take more profit. Do not be one of those losers who come in now and think you can make some quick profit, and then you get hammered down, and then you criticize the market and take more people away from the market. Okay, so one more. Bitcoin bulls may win big as two key moving averages prepare to cross. Guys, this is the thing. For the long run, everybody's bullish, but you have to know time frames here are very, very strong. They're like hard to define. What's going to happen the next month? Maybe we're going to have a massive pump before the ETH merge, which is on the 15th of July. Maybe we're going to have a massive pump when Hex and post chain will come up. So, you see Richard Hart is waiting for post chain to come up. If you don't know what post chain is, please go back to our videos and check it out, because post chain is a new chain that's about to come up. Okay, we did sacrifice for the post chain, and we've been talking about the sacrifice, and it's about to launch. So we might have a pump when post chain come up. We might not. So it's difficult to understand this. Yeah. So for the long run, once again, everything going to be fine. Bitcoin bulls may win big as two key moving average. So bulls could be about to do well. Bitcoin USD disappointing over the weekend as it put lows not seen since the end of July. Since then, 2001 has offered only weak support, and fears abound that new lows are coming. One of the casualties of the downturn was the 200-week moving average data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows a level which has flipped from resistance to support the month prior, now back overhead and unchallenged by rebounds this week. So guys, we've been holding the 200-week moving average, and again, like they said here, they were holding resistance. We flipped to support, and I think we're back to resistance again. Okay, and that means we're back into support again, and we've been holding resistance there, and we are above 200-week moving average. But we need to keep hold strong to this position before we can have a rally up. Falling on the pi cycle bottom, according to Telegraph reported, there is more than one moving average base chart mechanism flashing a bottom signal this summer. The classic pi cycle top indicator, which has caught micro bottoms throughout Bitcoin's history, was already turning green in July, lending way to the idea that June 17,600 really was a multi-year floor. Okay, so according to this graph, the pi cycle and to the 200 weekly moving average, we have reached the bottom. Okay, although I think once again, not financial advice, that we will go back a little bit lower. Okay, we can take advantage. I said to Casca and I said to you guys, I've been trying to take advantage of these small pumps. Okay, playing around with my ETH, of course. But again, I'm not a trader. I'm not doing through a trading platform. Basically, I'm buying and selling. Of course, it's really bad because I'm ended up paying 3%, 1.5% every time I buy and sell. And I'm doing this through Revolut. Okay. If you're a platinum member of Revolut, you pay 1.5% when you buy, and you pay 1.5% when you sell it. But from crypto exchange like Crypto, which I'm part of it, and Gate.io, you probably pay, I think crypto is 3% every time you do a transaction, and Gate.io, I think it's a bit smaller, maybe 2.5%. Okay, so you have to be aware that in order for you to make profits, the coin has to go higher, more than 3%, for you to start to get your money back anyway. But of course, as we know, in crypto, everything goes crazy. It's go 10, 20% pumps. Okay, that's why I'm risking a little bit, but again, it's risk, but I'm working also with my profits. I've never worked with money that I could lose. Okay. So yeah, Casca's trying to connect right now. Yeah, so Casca said he can't join today because he's still at work, but he's on the back here. Crypto B, guys, don't forget to follow Casca on his new YouTube channel. It's called Crypto B. He's also, I don't know why he didn't change here, but he will change. He's here to talk about. Casca, welcome.
What's up, guys? Oh my God, I was so busy there. But I know I was following the show here with my headphone, but I am in another meeting here, so I couldn't just. Okay, guys, bye bye, and I need to do something. I hope
So
I heard the show was great as always, my brother. So,
nice
guys,
one. I'm telling them to follow you on Crypto B, and you should change your Twitter here on the main page.
yeah, we will change there. We change there. Crypto B follows there, guys. There's a lot of videos and yeah.
So Casca just posted a nice video about post-chain, guys. So check it out. I talked about post-chain a little bit today, Casca. When is the post-chain launch is gonna happen? So follow Casca on his channel and you will find out.
Yeah, and follow us on Twitter and where now? What's the name? TikTok and all the things that we do. So you keep up with us. Keep up with us because we are going. Guys,
All right.
see you on another tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yes. Take care, guys.